This video is to show you how to create SPS output for one sample hypothesis test, which we cover in lecture 17. I'm going to use GPA here. I'm going to use the number 3.0 in step 1. Just know that you can test all three of these step 1s using the same SPS output. Also notice that I give you the screenshots and all the plain English and whatnot later on, okay? So everything that I'm going to do this video, you'll see screenshots for, okay? So you need to open up your data set. You want to go Analyze, Compare Means, One Sample T-Test. Just like that. I'm going to reset that. Okay, you got to choose your variable. Remember these little book things? That means scale in SPSS, or we would call it interval and ratio. Remember, when you're computing a mean, you need to have a ratio variable. So doing something like gender would not make sense, and you'd get a 0 on the problem, because the mean would be meaningless. So GPA is ratio, okay? I'm going to uncheck this box right here. It's okay if you include it. It won't affect your grade, but I just like cleaner output. Okay, now we have to put in a test value, okay? That's the same number that appears in your step 1. Here it's 3, okay? I'm going to put 3.0, but 3 will work, okay? Push OK, then you get the output. Okay, so this output is the same output you'll see here, okay? So for this video, I'm just going to show you how to find the TR, right? Here's where I sort of show you that. Okay, so SPSS calls it T, and here's where it's located. For step 6, here's where you would find your TR. I will talk about p-values in separate video. Okay, but there is, just as a preview, all the plain English for all the kinds of p-values is here. Okay, and I show you if you reject the null or you fail to reject the null. Okay, so one more time. You go Analyze, Compare Means, One Sample T-Test. Comes up, you move your variable over, you put your test value from step 1, push OK, bada boom, bada bing, that's it. Okay, we're done.